What's going on, guys? This is John Nicole Japsana from MVA Simplified, kung saan we are helping aspiring medical Filipino VAs for uh, pursuing medical VA journey for US healthcare niche. And currently, meron na tayong finally na-launch na natin ang website. I just use my old domain and I spent almost 2.5 days then. I'm just doing a vibe coding. So parang hindi naman ako expert when it comes to coding. So I just utilize what I can using WordPress and Codex. So finally we were able to finish the whole website. This is sabihin na natin beta tester for now. There will be a lot of improvement needed for this. Pero para makapag-start na tayo na makapagbigay ng free resources for aspiring Filipino medical VAs, billers, scribe, schedulers or appointment setters, virtual um, assistance man, ano pa ba, or prior authorization specialist, AR specialist, insurance verification specialist, at marami pang iba. I did what I can to provide all necessary resources. And let me just provide you the what the website looks like. All right, so you can just search it by typing this link or URL, https riseandphoenix.com. That is my old domain na hindi na nagamit. So I'm just utilizing it kasi sayang naman yung opportunity. At syempre, naka-annual ano kasi to, subscription. Kaya mas maiging magamit na rin at makatulong sa iba. And as you can see here, this is our actual website. Just don't mind the Ryzen Phoenix is my uh, the one that got away business dream na hindi natuloy-tuloy. But anyways, just deal with it. It's still under my scope kaya safe na safe naman to. So, binago ko yung interference, binago ko yung itsura para, I don't know, I feel like medyo baka antukin kayo when it comes to the background color. So, what I did is medyo dark theme ang uh, pinili kong kulay. Though there's still some error when it comes to other interference like this one. Hindi ko pa na-edit yung like yung US healthcare basic. Supposedly dapat makikita to eh. And there's other parts na hindi makita due to the changes that I made. But the good thing here is kumpleto na. Meron nandito yung mga downloadable file, may mga Word, PDF, infographics na naka PNG, also Excel. Meron din siyang bundle. So halos nandito na lahat and this is all free. Huwag kayong magalala, walang virus yan. Uh, this is all free. Para sa mga beginners, you can just click here, start here, or you can just use this in the homepage or landing page, the build my starter path kung nalilito pa kayo. But anyways, you can utilize this as much as what you want. You can start here, starting from zero. Medical VA, clickable naman itong mga to. Another thing is, ayun, you can choose your own route. Pwede ka rin mag-upskill kung meron ka ng experience when it comes to front-end role. You can upskill if you want. Meron rin mga script templates, resume templates, common terminologies, EOB practice, reading practice sheet, um, appointment scheduling, call script, ano pa ba? Marami pang iba. You can see meron din tayong workflow. Somehow this is not interactive, but pag clinic mo dito sa part na to sa workflows, makikita nyo yung, eto, this one is clickable. And every role or every uh, checkpoint here, makikita nyo na meron diyang um, sabihin na natin parang quick tips for those who wants to know the overview of the actual role like scheduling, registration, eligibility, benefits, and marami pang iba. What else? Lahat ng templates, lahat ng script, na-double check ko naman and everything is working. So, I hope makatulong ito para sa mga aspiring Filipino, sa mga kapwa ko Pinoy. This is all free. Walang subscription. Bahala kayo kung gusto niyo mag-follow. Kahit yun na lang. Uh, and I just want to clear uh, na hindi po ako hiring, hindi po ako nag-outsource. Pero tumatanggap po ako ng kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng uh, one-on-one training for a specific module and I'll provide you a customized or personalized module, self-paced module na sulit naman. But before kayo magbayad or mag-isip na magbayad for one-on-one session, I just want you to explore first the free resource that we have here para hindi sayang at mas ma-explore nyo pa. Though there's a lot of improvement pa na kailangan dito, mostly for the files, but um, papakita ko pala yung ano, just for you to have the actual file. Ayun. So may mga bundle rin tayo, may mga packs na nako all-in-one na sila, naka zip file nga lang sila. So probably kailangan nyo pa siyang i-extract or gumamit ng extraction. Pero ang masasabi ko dito na sulit is yung tawag dito, individual resources na pwede nyo makuha dito sa mismong website. Ha? You don't have to actually reach out sa akin para lang makuha itong mga resources na nandito. Yan, PDFs, pati bang information, lahat to. Actually, that is 49 individual files, 6 bundles na libre lang para sa inyo. And there's iba't iba templates, script, um, what else? Mga tips and tricks, mga information to know when it comes to the specific topics and specific role. So, I just want to update you guys, and I'm sorry sa mga hindi ko nare-replyan sa comments, sa mga messages kasi na-busy tayo this weekend. Announcement pala for this upcoming weekend, which is probably Sunday, July 12. Probably update ako or magpo-post ako ng link for limited slot for batch 1 na tuturuan ko when it comes to US Healthcare 101. So technically, kung nakita niyo yung previous post ko, may mga module 1 to 18 ako na pinakita, and there's a deeper session na pwede nating i-tackle in a free training group session. Pero syempre, I cannot handle multiple persons at a time, so probably I'll just make it limited. And batch 1 to, probably there will be more batches. And this is free as long as susunod sa instruction, of course. Again, July 12, yun yung pinaplano ko or target ko kung wala mang emergency na maganap or something na errand na urgent. So, probably matutuloy tayo this coming Sunday. And I will discuss the Module 1, Introduction to US Healthcare 101. That is a Taglish session, mga Pinoy lang. I'm not expecting or accepting any foreign kasi yung masyadong English nang hindi ba yan. Anyways, I hope you like the website. Please visit it. Follow me for more updates. Just like what I'm saying, one workflow, one term, one skill at a time. This is Jan Japsane and this is MVA Simplified.